These 4 things made me more productive, and I think they can make you more productive too. Hey, I'm Mason, and I run my own digital communications agency, and today I'm talking about how these 4 things really helped me be more productive, and I want to share them with you. So let's get into it. So the first thing that really helped me to be more productive is reading more books. So I used to hate reading books, and honestly, it's still not my favorite thing, but I have learned so much information just from reading. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and listen to a lot of podcasts and all that kind of thing, but I will say reading and listening to books has been so helpful for me. So some big things I've learned about productivity through reading books is productivity systems and also just how to better organize myself. So right now I'm in the middle of reading Getting Things Done by David Allen. It's right here. It is a really good book. I'm only about halfway through it. Yeah, whenever I finish it, I might do a book review on it just because of how awesome it is. Maybe I should start doing book reviews anyway. If you want to see that, comment below. Let me know what you think. So anyway, that's one of the books that I have gotten a lot out of. Another book that I've gotten a lot out of is the Bible. Now, if you're not a Christian, that's okay. I think the Bible has a lot of really helpful things that talks about productivity in it as well. Some of my favorite books for productivity are Proverbs, which is a book of Proverbs. It talks about all different kinds of things, very practical, that are really helpful for just day-to-day life, and also general tips on life and how to not, ruin your life. Some of my other favorite books are the book of James, which is, in James, he talks a lot about how life is too short to worry about all this stuff that's going on in our lives. And that's been really helpful for me. And then another book that I really like is the book of Luke. That's one of the Gospels, which talks about the life of Jesus and his ministry. And that's really good for productivity as well. Just learning from Jesus how to enjoy life, how to slow down and just take things one day at a time. So those are some books that I recommend. I would love to get into more books that I have read and gotten into. So the second thing that's really helped me to be more productive is YouTube videos. I watch a ton of YouTube videos, and I'm very nerdy in this way, but I don't usually watch a lot of YouTube videos for entertainment purposes. I watch it mostly for learning and educational purposes, which is why I started making YouTube videos, because I got inspired to share things that I knew and things that I was learning with you. Some of my favorite YouTubers in the world of productivity and just life in general are Ali Abdaal. I watch a lot of his videos. 2 of his videos that I really like for productivity are how to make next year the best year of your life, and also how to build your ultimate productivity system. Love those 2 videos. I'll link them down below in the description if you want to watch those. Another one is Jeff Sue. I found him recently. He's funny and kind of quirky, but I think he has a lot of good information. He does a lot with AI as well, so if you're interested in that. But his video that I really like is My Simple Productivity System for Normal People. He really stresses the simplicity of productivity and how we have blown it way out of proportion. But third guy that I really like, his name is Matt D'Avella. He has 3 videos that I really like: A Day in the Life of a Minimalist, My Simple Productivity System, and 12 Habits That Changed My Life. All of these videos have a different perspective on productivity. Maybe some of them are about their productivity system. Other things are things that they've tried and things that they've not liked or liked. And others of them are just general helpful information. The third thing that I've found really helpful in my walk with productivity is meditation. I try to do it in the mornings before I go to work, but I love that time just to be able to sit with the Holy Spirit and enjoy a quiet moment with Him, maybe with a cup of coffee. Some of my favorite things about meditation are how it relaxes my body. I think during the day, in the middle of the workflow and everything, my anxiety can get kind of heightened, and being able to stop and to meditate is so nice, just to bring it down a notch and to breathe and to acknowledge that there's someone bigger than me who has created everything and has really has given me the space to just enjoy the day. So that's a big thing that I really get out of it. The second thing is that it just helps me feel at peace, helps me feel very present and relaxed. I feel very relaxed in those moments, and it does carry out throughout the day. So I notice a difference on the days that I do meditate versus the days that I don't. Being able to sit with God and just be silent with Him is so nice, and I would highly recommend it. And the last thing, number 4, that has really helped me with productivity is writing. So every morning I write for 30 minutes a day, and I love it. I made a video on it if you want to check it out. I'll link it. I'll put the thing right there. But I love writing. It has become a habit that I have gotten into, and it is so nice. I spend about 30 minutes every day just writing out thoughts. I just brain dump whatever's in there, and it is so nice. So something that I get out of that is clarity. I get a lot of clarity from writing every morning. It gives me the space to kind of just get stuff off my mind, off of my plate, and put it on the page. Sometimes I go back and reference it, but a lot of times I'll just write and then I'll just leave it there. And it's kind of like a dumping ground, which is really nice, honestly, just to be able to like put stuff on a page, not think about it. Doesn't matter what it looks like, doesn't matter how it sounds like, just to put it all out there, whatever's going on in my head. So I also love writing creatively, just to be able to get fun ideas out of my head. I have lots of ideas for screenplays and YouTube videos and books and blogs and all that kind of thing. And so it's really nice to be able to have a place to dump all those thoughts, and someday releasing those, publishing them. But at the very least, it's just nice to be able to write my ideas down and maybe start to flesh them out a little bit. Like I said, these 4 things have really helped me become more productive: reading more books, watching YouTube videos about productivity, meditating, and writing more regularly. These are the 4 things that have really helped me, and I do think that they could be really helpful for you too. So if you like the video, please subscribe, share with your friends. That'd be great. I think you're pretty epic. Thanks for being here, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. See ya.